Do you know that some states, if you're even 1% liable for an accident, you could be on your own for the repairs? Here in North Carolina, that's where we're from, if you are even 1% at fault and somebody hits you and they say you're 1% at fault, that insurance company can deny the claim. You're gonna have to cover the damages of your car on your own or run it through your own insurance. Kind of crazy, right? That's why we're talking about dash cams today and how important that is. I'm sure everybody's seen on the internet, you get to see these videos of somebody purposely hitting another person, or I saw one the other day, somebody stopped on the highway and backed up into somebody. Crazy, crazy stuff. And we see crazy stuff all the time. So dash cams, super, super important. Just so you know, I'm not a tech guru on these things. I'm a collision repair guy, and it seems like every day more and more these sort of things become important. I know they make all sorts of different ones, fancy ones with front and rear and blind spot. They've got cameras all over the place for things like that. Something's better than nothing. We hear stories all the time of people that this dash cam saved them because one person's story was different than another person's story, and you can't change the video. The video's the video. That's what really happened. And it really helps people make sure that the person that's responsible for the accident is taking care of it. Right now, there's a car in the shop that has been through 3 different insurance companies trying to figure out who's covering it. And I like to think that if there was a dash cam in there, it would have been more black and white. This is what happened, and we could have just gotten this process going right away. To put it simply, a dash cam makes everything a little bit easier from the beginning of an accident all the way through. But most importantly, it saves your ass. As usual, if you ever have any questions, just give us a call here at Johnson Auto Body.